In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this swirling particle tornado in 5 minutes. Let's create a plane and a simple star. If you don't see the star in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's use Eevee with Bloom. I'll create an emission material for the star. Let's scale the star, and add a particle emitter. Let's disable the gravity. The particle will go up. If you want it to go down, please use negative value for the velocity. I'll scale the particles up, and randomize it a bit. I'll share the full screen of the setup values shortly. The stars are too big. Let's reduce the size. They need to spread apart a bit, and also need to be rotated individually. There is the spreading part. Let's work on the self-rotation. A wizard's open magic book would look awesome with this particle animation. Please use any emission colors. Let's create a vortex force field. Please feel free to change the setting any way you like. I'll show you what some values do to the swirl. It's important to change the velocity and the vortex strength well, in order to fully customize the swirling tornado action. A lot of interesting effects are happening. This is going to be my final setup. I'll show you the full setting shortly. Here are the full settings. Please remember to try other colors. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.